All right, let's have a look at exercise 2501. This is from Gamma. We're simplifying ratios. This time we've got ratio, and we're going to do the first one. It's a 0.3 to 0.5. So I've got A, 0.3 to 0.5. All right. Now, to do this, all we need to do is make sure that we multiply them by a factor of 10. So it could be 10, 100, 1,000, and so on. But we want to make sure that we don't have any decimals when we do it. So if we had, in fact, let me just change this. Remember, I won't call this A. Let's call it 0.51. Yeah? So now I'm going to multiply them both. If I multiply them both by 10, I get 3 to 5.1. Well, that's no good. I've still got a decimal, so I'm going to multiply it by 10 again. So it would be 30 to 51, and that would be my ratio. So that's what we're doing. We're multiplying them by factors of 10 so that we no longer have any decimals, and we don't do them by any more factors of 10 than we need to. So now let's do A. Here's A, and it was in fact 0.3 to 0.5. So I'm multiplying it by 10. I'm going to get 3. Multiplying this by 10, I get 5, and there's my ratio. Nice and simple. I can't simplify this any further. That's the answer. All right, let's have a look at B. So I'm going to do these three. I'm going to set you loose on them. So here we go. We've got 5 to 0.6. 5 to 0.6. Well, we need to multiply this by at least 10 because we want to get rid of the 0.6. It has to be not 6. 0.6 has to be 6. So multiply this by 10, becomes 50. Multiply this by 10, and it becomes 6. So now we've got all whole numbers, no decimals, but we can simplify this. So we could, for example, divide it by 2. Let's divide by 2. So if I divide 50 by 2, I get 25. Divide 6 by 2, I get 3. And I can't simplify any further, so that is my solution. All right, let's have a look at C. What was C? A, B. Oh, hang on. Oh, I've just done C. Sorry. I'm not doing well today. I'm so sorry. This is actually C. This one is C. I just done C. I'm working my way down the page here. So I've done A and I've done C. Now let's go back. I'm going to do B. Yeah. So I've got this one here. Crikey. B. Sorry. I'm going to get this right. So here is my B. In fact, I'll do B over here so I can see this at the same time as the one I'm doing. So B, I got 0.28 to 0.21. Well, I'm going to multiply this time by 100. I'm going to get rid of those decimals, so it's going to be 28 to 21. So, oh, I've got a common factor. I've got 7 as a common factor. So if I divided this by 7, I would get 4. Divide this one by 7, I would get 3. And there is my ratio. Hopefully that makes sense, folks. And you can have a shot at the other ones.